beef and black bean sauce, onion, peppers, garlic and ginger, velveted beef, fermented black beans, sesame oil, soy sauce, and various seasonings to taste, such as chicken stock and whatever else you need. Dry and seasoned wok. Get that wok hay going. Just look at that breath of wok going. After beef and vegetables have been cooked to your liking, add your sauce. On the side of the wok, allow it to cook for a minute or two so your sauce can thicken to your liking. Under no circumstances can the most important ingredient of all be forgot: magic spice of the gods. Serve over steamed rice with some green onion. Let's have a taste, shall we? Yeah! That's very enjoyable.